This is a video tutorial for AQA English Language Paper 1 Question 3. If you look at the information on the screen, this explains what Question 3 is assessing. So as written in bold there, although we are looking at AO2, this question does not assess language. It is looking at how the text has been structured. So you can look at the whole text level. Look at the beginning, the ending, and shift in perspective. You can look at paragraph level, looking at topic changes, how things are cohesive, or maybe they are jagged and they don't gel well together, and you can comment on that. Or you can look at sentence level. I would be very careful with this because it's quite easy to dip back into language analysis. It's perfectly possible to get 8 out of 8 marks by looking at whole text and how the shifts in perspective happen, as long as you are being analytical about it. The text I will be referring to is this one. It's from Jamaica In, and this is from a specimen paper from the AQA website. Okay, looking at the layout then of question 3, you have a few bits of information there and then some bullet points. So you now need to think about the whole of the source. This text is from the opening of a novel. How has the writer structured the text to interest you as a reader? So you need to look at your keywords here. So how has it been put together? How has it been structured to interest you? Okay. You are then given 3 bullet points to help you. So you could focus on what's happening at the beginning, how and why the writer changes the focus, and then any other structural features that interest you. Because this is worth 8 marks, I would suggest that you write 3 academic paragraphs, and I would lay them out like this. Keep it simple. You don't want to overcomplicate things in the exam, but if you look at the beginning, then the middle, then the end, it shows that you have looked at the whole source. Now, for each paragraph, you need to look at what structural devices have been used, why they've been used, and the impact that they have. And the reason that you are going to cover all of these is because in the mark scheme, these are the things you need to look at. So you have to make reference to subject terminology. You have to analyse the effects of the choices. You also need to have a range of examples. So if you look at the beginning, the middle, and the end. We will come back to this because we've got some examples of what should be in a high-level answer there. Okay. Here we have a picture of some spectacles and a plus and minus sign there. Your 2 main buzzwords for this question are focus and zoom. There are lots of other terminologies to do with structure, and you can find those on the AQA website and on various video tutorials on YouTube. But for each section, so if we chunk it down to beginning, middle, and end, in each section, if you look at where the focus changes and where we zoom in and zoom out, and you use the words focus and zoom, you have covered subject terminology, and you are also looking at how the structure shifts. Okay, so just bear these 2 images in mind.